Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Second, dog. My dog name is Rocky. My dog name is Rocky. Third, fan in summer. We always miss the fan. Bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Fifth, copy. This is my copy. This is my copy. Sixth, family. There are 5 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. Number 7, pen. This is my pen. This is my pen. Eighth, shining. The moon is shining. Ninth, books. I like to read books. I like to read books. Red. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red.